just want to be my.
Import your clips into CapCut. At the transition area, we need to place this video effect at the same position. Add the first positive video effect. Duplicate it and replace it with the other video effect. The first one is new effect. Edge glare effect. Set the glare to 35%. Dispersion fault. Overlay a red background at the same transition area. Go to blend, select overlay. Now place the video effect and the red overlay at the transition area.
I'm learning how to be a better version of you. And now I realize I'm talking to myself. Doesn't really need to be forever. Doesn't make
Then
you
export
feel
it. So here is the final result.
better.